Boys and girls, we have been learning about severe weather, meteorologists, and today we're going to look at the different tools or objects or things that you can use for severe weather. If you look at this map over here, this is a radar map. It shows where severe weather might be in here, where the pink zone is. The red represents some strong winds and stuff or heavy rain. And the green just shows that there's rain coming through our area. We're over here in Georgia, so this path on the radar shows that we might have some rain on the outside and some strong storms in the middle by the red. So today we will read and learn about the tools that can be helpful during severe weather. Some of the tools that can help us during severe weather are just having some things at home, and they are useful and helpful during severe weather. One of the objects that we have here is a flashlight. This can help people see if the lights happen to go out. We also have some batteries right here. If you have flashlights that may need a battery, or some different helpful tools like a radio that might need some batteries, and they can make a flashlight also work for a long time. And many of us go to school in the morning and definitely need an umbrella. That helps protect us from the rain. So far, we have flashlights, batteries, and umbrellas. But we can also make sure to have plenty of canned food up here at the top. Maybe that is vegetables or some soups and stuff. Those are helpful during severe weather. Also having bottled water at home to make sure that we stay hydrated. And maybe you have a radio, or maybe you have a cell phone that helps keep you updated on the weather that is happening outside. Lastly, we can also use these tools as well. There's a shovel, which is right up here, and this helps people that have a lot of snow make a pathway from maybe their front door to the road so that they can get out safely. We also have cell phones so that we can call for help, and they can call family members to let them know what's happening to make sure that everybody is okay. And then also having just maybe like a backpack filled with all of your helpful supplies. We talked about flashlights, batteries, maybe a first aid kit, just to make sure that everybody is safe during severe weather. Your last task for today is to circle the items that are useful, meaning they help make a difference, that will help you in severe weather. Our items are flashlights, batteries, a soccer ball, canned goods, nail polish, a water bottle, a rubber duck, a radio, and a guitar. So take a minute and circle the items that you think would be helpful or useful during severe weather, and then talk about it with whoever is there with you.